Princess Lila and the Cloud Kingdom. Once upon a time, in a sunny valley surrounded by mountains that tickled the sky, there lived a little princess named Lila. She had curly golden hair, a laugh like wind chimes, and a curious heart that was always asking questions. But unlike most princesses, Lila didn't like sitting still in the castle. She wanted to explore the world, especially the biggest mystery of all, the Cloud Kingdom that floated high above the tallest mountain. "Clouds aren't just puffy air," said Lila one night, looking out her window. "They're hiding something magical. I just know it." The next morning she packed her satchel with snacks, a compass, her favorite book, and a kite shaped like a dragon. With a determined smile, she tiptoed past the guards and marched toward the mountain. She climbed for 3 whole days. She met a sleepy bear who shared his honey, helped a lost squirrel find its way home, and used her dragon kite to glide over a rushing river. Finally, at the mountain's peak, a soft wind wrapped around her like a hug. Then, poof! A staircase made of silver mist appeared. "Welcome, Princess," whispered the wind. "You believed, so now you may enter the Cloud Kingdom." Lila climbed the stairs and found herself in a world of soft light and floating castles made of cotton candy clouds. Flying sheep carried messages and rainbows connected villages. But all was not well. The Sky Queen, ruler of the clouds, had lost her smile. Without it, the kingdom's colors were fading. "I used to smile when children believed in the magic of clouds," said the queen, her eyes heavy. "But now they just look at screens and never wonder what's up here anymore." Lila thought hard. Then she had an idea. She asked for paints, thread, and paper, and spent the whole night making something special. The next morning she flew back down with the help of a friendly cloud fox, and soon all the villages saw something in the sky. Hundreds of kites, each shaped like clouds and stars and dragons and castles. Children looked up, they asked questions, they imagined, and up in the sky the queen smiled. Her kingdom shimmered once more. From then on Sky Day, kids around the world flew their magical kites, thanks to Princess Lila, the brave girl who climbed a mountain, believed in magic, and helped the clouds smile again.